Hello, it's Ben Meyer with Meyer Auction Service showing you a Cub Cadet, a utility tractor. It's four-wheel drive. It's the 8354 SS model, which stands for shuttle shift. Does have the quick attach bucket there. Mike, we're doing a sale for Mike and Cleela here. They are sold the acreage. They're moving. So fire up that tractor, Mike. We'll hear it run real quick. I think it had about 700 and some hours on it. It does have 3.540 PTO. You want to back it up for us real quick, Mike? There you go, folks. Handy tractor right there for you. Nice little 8354 Cub Cadet. Go to BenMeyerAuctions.com. You want to see it in person, give me a call. Otherwise, go ahead and get to bid, and we'll see you when you come pick it up. Thanks for looking.